In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable guest mode in Google Chrome on Windows PC or laptop. If you ever need to share your computer for a few minutes, maybe to let someone check an email or look something up, guest mode is the quickest way to protect your history, bookmarks, and saved passwords while still being helpful. Start by looking to the top right corner of Chrome. You'll see your profile icon. This could be your picture, your initials, or a simple silhouette. Click that icon to open the profile menu. This is where Chrome keeps your different browsing identities, including your main profile and any others you've created. In the menu that appears, look toward the bottom for the section labeled Other Profiles. Click on Guest. Chrome will immediately open a new window in guest mode. You'll know you're in the right place because the window looks clean and neutral, and it typically shows the word Guest at the top. You won't see your bookmarks bar, your extensions, or any personalized settings from your main profile. While someone is using this guest window, none of your personal information is visible. Your browsing history, saved passwords, autofill data, and bookmarks from your main profile remain completely hidden. Guest mode is designed to be temporary. As soon as the guest window is closed, the browsing activity from that session, like history, cookies, and site data, is wiped from the computer. A quick tip: although guest mode keeps your profile private and clears browsing data when the window is closed, files that are downloaded or items manually saved to the computer will still remain on the device. If privacy is a concern, let the guest know to avoid downloading files or to remove them afterward. Also, remember that websites you visit and your network provider may still see activity as usual. Guest mode doesn't make you invisible online. It simply separates activity from your main Chrome profile. When the guest is finished, wrapping up is simple. In the guest window, click the guest icon at the top, then choose Close Guest. That shuts down the entire guest session at once. You'll return to your regular Chrome window with your tabs, bookmarks, and settings exactly as you left them. Nothing from the session carries over, and your main profile remains untouched. That's all it takes. A couple of clicks, and you can safely share your browser without sharing your data. Safe sharing made simple. You're all set. Done.